Let's take a drive back in time to Los Angeles in the 1960s. The palm trees, the sunshine, the rhythm of a city becoming a legend. From the beaches of Malibu to the heart of Hollywood, this is what California looked and felt. Like more than half a century ago. Beverly Hills, one of the most famous and expensive pieces of real estate in the world. Lined with tall palm trees and bright sunshine, it's the colorful home of Hollywood's biggest stars. Just a short drive from the studios and the glamour of Wilshire Boulevard, this small city has become a symbol of luxury, style, and success. But its story began long before the movie lights. The land was once part of a Spanish grant given to Maria Rita Valdez in the 1800s. Through time, it was known by many names before officially becoming Beverly Hills. Founded in 1906 and incorporated in 1914, the city grew up alongside Hollywood itself. As the motion picture industry rose, so did Beverly Hills. Early residents included silent film legends like Douglas Fairbanks, Mary Pickford, John Barrymore, and Harold Lloyd. And generation after generation of movie stars have called it home ever since. Today, the city glows with elegant hotels, fine restaurants, and some of the most luxurious homes on Earth, all packed into just 5.5 square miles. Visitors come from around the world hoping to catch a glimpse of celebrity life. We can't give away any addresses, of course, but here are just a few of the beautiful homes hidden among the trees and hills. Behind these walls, you might find the laughter of Jack Benny, or the elegance of Doris Day, the charm of Danny Thomas, or the warmth of Jimmy Stewart. Beverly Hills has always been a world within a world, exclusive, beautiful, and unmistakably Californian. Back in 1960, homes here started at around $50,000, and for those who really wanted to make a statement, they could spend as much as $500,000. You know, Hollywood at night can be a fascinating place, but Hollywood in the daytime has its own kind of magic. Come on, follow me. I'll show you what I mean. The Sunset Strip, one of the most intriguing avenues in the world. It's a 2-mile stretch of Sunset Boulevard, right between Hollywood and Beverly Hills. You've seen it at night, glittering with lights, music, and neon signs. But in the bright light of day, it's a different story, and just as fascinating. The discotheques are quiet now. The coffee houses stand empty. The Strip feels calmer, more European with its sidewalk cafes and small, stylish boutiques. It's a curious mix of the modern and the bohemian, and the people here are exactly the same way. In the shops, there's something for everyone, from art galleries to record stores and fashion houses that seem to set the trends before the rest of the world catches on. High above the Strip, the sleek Continental Hotel has become one of Los Angeles' newest landmarks for the style-conscious. Daytime dress here? Always casual, but never careless, because you never know who might be watching. A big talent agent like Henry Wilson could be passing by at any moment. That's why so many young, hopeful stars stroll down the Strip, each one looking to be discovered. Even a haircut here isn't just a haircut, it's a creation. By night, the Sunset Strip turns into another world, entirely boisterous, glittering, alive. But by day, it's just as fascinating, in its own quieter, sunlit way. Yes, the Sunset Strip is unique. Here's the Pacific Coast Highway, one of California's most scenic drives. Stretching for miles along the ocean, it's where the city meets the sea. We're driving north from Santa Monica, down the ramp, and onto the open road. The sunlight glimmers on the windshield. The surf rolls gently to the right. And for a moment, time slows down. So come along, let's take a ride together. Let's go back in time and see what it felt like to cruise the California coast in the 1960s. The cars, the colors, the feeling of motion, this was the dream of a generation. The Los Angeles Freeway, a moving river of chrome and sunlight. Taxis, coupes, and convertibles glide side by side, each headed somewhere under the endless California sky. It's the rhythm of the city always in motion, 1,000 stories passing by in the rearview mirror. Let's take a drive together and remember what it felt like to move through Los Angeles in the 1960s when the roads were open, and every journey felt like the beginning of a story. If you're enjoying this trip through time, consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel. It helps us keep restoring and sharing these rare moments from the past, and lets you join us for the next journey through history. Exterior shots from outside Hollywood's legendary studio gates, Paramount Pictures, Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer, and Warner Brothers, with its famous water tower in Burbank. The facades of 20th Century Fox and Columbia Pictures in Culver City, the Universal Studios backlot, and the iconic NBC and CBS studios. all part of the golden age of filmmaking in Los Angeles. A barefoot surfer plays guitar by the roadside at Leo Carrillo Beach. Malibu, his vintage car parked nearby, surfboards on the roof, and the Pacific waves just ahead. Los Angeles has changed in many ways since then, but the light, the movement, and the dream, they're still here. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Until next time, keep the engine running and keep the memories alive.